Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Rviita Energy tea. I bought this by mistake. It was on sale, but let me show you why I don't like it. We'll do a quick taste test. This is Royal Elderberry. It just says Energy Tea on it, and then if you look at the back, it has like some black tea, organic water, and then elderberry, guarana, seed extract. But here's the ingredients, okay? You got filtered water, then you got elderberry juice, honey. All of these things are good. You got some vitamin C blend, and if you look carefully, caffeine right at the bottom there. That's why I don't really like this. And if you want to see what it says right here, contains 141 milligrams of caffeine. This is a lot of caffeine in this thing. So I thought it was just like a tea, but nope. So anyways, let's do a quick taste test, and then I can throw it out. All right, so let's do a quick taste test. That has so much caffeine in there. It tastes like, yeah, it's kind of sweet and like, some people might like it, but it's kind of sweet, like syrupy, and it has that sort of black tea taste. But that's pretty much what it tastes like. All right, guys, stay tuned for more videos.